If someone has throat cancer, stomach cancer, I suggest they do drink the sodium bicarbonate early in the morning and just before they go to bed, because sodium bicarbonate only alkalizes what it touches.
In the relentless battle against cancer and chronic diseases, many people turn to conventional treatments and therapies. Imagine a world where simple nutrients hold the key to not only preventing but potentially defeating some of the most formidable health challenges we face today. So what does phase 2 need? What does the body need to support the liver to cope with this toxic metabolite? It needs antioxidants. In this enlightening exploration, we explore the 5 essential vitamins that are being heralded as revolutionary weapons in the fight against cancer and disease. Vitamin C. Also, probably the most famous antioxidant is vitamin C. Vitamin C is not ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, I think it's Dr. Robert Thompson in his book, The Calcium Lie, he explains this. Ascorbic acid is just the envelope. Have you ever got an envelope in the mail with nothing in it? In other words, useless. But when you buy vitamin C, make sure it has bioflavonoids with it. That's how you find it in nature. That's called the whole C. Vitamin C is a top-notch antioxidant. This means it helps neutralize those pesky free radicals, unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells and DNA. When free radicals start causing trouble, they can potentially lead to cancer and other diseases. Vitamin C steps in as the ultimate bodyguard, mopping up these troublemakers and keeping our cells in tip-top shape. Now let's talk about the magic of vitamin C in cancer prevention and treatment. Some studies suggest that high doses of vitamin C can help slow the growth of cancer cells and even make traditional treatments like chemotherapy more effective. So where can you find this superhero vitamin? Luckily, it's not hard to come by. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are packed with vitamin C. But don't stop there. Berries such as strawberries and raspberries are also great sources. If you're a fan of vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are loaded with the stuff too. Even some herbs like parsley and thyme can give you a vitamin C boost. Vitamin E. Also vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin. So you're getting your vitamin E in your protein drinks. So in your protein drinks, I think we either make it with either organic soy or almond milk and put a little bit of coconut milk in there with your pea protein powder. So you're getting your vitamin E there. Can you see that we are nutritionally supporting your liver to effectively detoxify you? Vitamin E's main claim to fame is its role as a potent antioxidant. Think of antioxidants as your body's personal bodyguards, fighting off those pesky free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Vitamin E swoops in to neutralize these free radicals, helping to keep your cells healthy and protected. Vitamin E helps your body fend off infections and illnesses. Some studies suggest that it might even enhance the immune response in older adults, giving their immune systems a much-needed boost. So when you're getting your vitamin E fix, you're not just protecting your cells, you're also gearing up your immune system for action. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Vitamin E might have a role in cancer prevention. Research has shown that its antioxidant properties could help reduce the risk of certain cancers by protecting cells from oxidative stress and damage. Nuts and seeds like almonds and sunflower seeds are excellent sources. You can also find vitamin E in vegetable oils such as olive and sunflower oil, leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, and fortified cereals also provide a healthy dose of this vitamin. Vitamin B. Imagine if there were a team of superheroes dedicated to keeping your body in tip-top shape, fighting off diseases and helping you stay healthy. Well, that's kind of what vitamin B does. And vitamin B. Now, Deborah, I think it was you asked me last night, why is my urine bright yellow? I said, it's the B vitamins. You're not losing your B vitamins, it's just the reaction that it has in the body. This group of vitamins, often grouped together for convenience, is like a multitasking squad of nutrients. each with its own unique powers that collectively help ward off disease and support overall health. First up, let's talk about vitamin B12, the energy booster. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of red blood cells and DNA synthesis. It helps ensure that your cells get the oxygen they need to function properly and plays a critical role in maintaining nerve health. When you're low on B12, you might feel fatigued or experience nerve problems, but keeping your levels up can help you stay energetic and focused, making it harder for illnesses to slow you down. Then there's vitamin B6, a vital player in the immune system. It helps your body produce antibodies and white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections and diseases. A deficiency in vitamin B6 can lead to a weakened immune response, leaving you more vulnerable to sickness. By including enough B6 in your diet, you're giving your immune system a solid ally in its fight against pathogens. Let's not forget vitamin B9, also known as folate or folic acid. Folate is vital for cell division and DNA repair. It's especially important for pregnant women because it helps in the development of the baby's neural tube. But its benefits don't stop there. Folate also plays a role in reducing the risk of certain cancers by supporting proper cell function and preventing abnormal cell growth. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, is another key player. It helps convert food into energy, which is crucial for overall health. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to issues like nerve damage and heart problems. But keeping your levels in check ensures your body has the energy it needs to fend off illnesses and function optimally. So where can you find these fantastic vitamin B superheroes? They're more common in your diet than you might think. For vitamin B12, look to animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Vegans can find it in fortified cereals or supplements. Vitamin B6 is abundant in foods like bananas, chickpeas, and poultry. Folate is present in leafy green vegetables, legumes, and citrus fruits. And vitamin B1 can be found in whole grains, pork, and nuts. To make sure you're getting a good dose of these B vitamins, aim to incorporate a variety of these foods into your meals. A balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein sources will help keep your vitamin B levels up and your body in fighting form. Beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is the vibrant superhero of the vitamin world. So what are the most potent antioxidants? Beta-carotene? Beta-carotene is found in all your orange and your green coloured vegetables. Have you noticed that every juice we give you is either green or orange or red? So we're supplying high beta-carotenes to you. This powerhouse nutrient not only adds a splash of colour to your plate, but also packs a punch in the fight against diseases and cancer. Let's dive into why beta-carotene deserves a spot on your health radar. Beta-carotene is like nature's very own multitasker. It's best known as a precursor to vitamin A, meaning your body converts it into vitamin A as needed. Why is vitamin A such a big deal? It's crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. So when you consume beta-carotene, you're helping your body get the vitamin A it needs to keep everything running smoothly. But that's not all. Beta-carotene is a potent antioxidant, which means it helps combat oxidative stress. Free radicals, those sneaky, unstable molecules, can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. Beta-carotene swoops in to neutralize these free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation. This antioxidant action is like having a trusty sidekick that keeps your body's internal environment balanced and healthy. Now let's talk about beta-carotene's potential role in cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that a diet rich in beta-carotene might lower the risk of certain cancers, particularly those affecting the lungs, stomach, and prostate. While beta-carotene alone isn't a cure-all, its antioxidant properties and role in supporting the immune system make it a valuable ally in reducing cancer risk. So where can you find this vibrant nutrient? Beta-carotene is abundant in colorful fruits and vegetables. Carrots are probably the most famous source, but don't forget about sweet potatoes, butternut squash, and pumpkins. They're all packed with beta-carotene. Leafy greens like spinach and kale also contribute to your beta-carotene intake, adding even more health benefits to your plate. To make the most of beta-carotene, aim to include a variety of these colorful foods in your diet. Roasting carrots, blending sweet potatoes into soups, or tossing spinach into salads are all delicious ways to get your beta-carotene fix. Cooking these vegetables can actually increase the availability of beta-carotene, so don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it when we bask in the sun. But underneath that sunny exterior lies a whole arsenal of superpowers that help us fight off diseases and maintain overall health. Let's dive into why vitamin D deserves a standing ovation in the world of wellness. First off, vitamin D is a crucial player in maintaining strong bones. It helps your body absorb calcium from the food you eat, which is essential for bone health. Without enough vitamin D, your bones can become weak and brittle, making you more susceptible to fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. So whether you're hitting the gym or just going about your daily routine, vitamin D is quietly working behind the scenes to keep your skeleton in top shape. But vitamin D isn't just about bones. It's also a key player in the immune system's defense strategy. Think of it as a behind-the-scenes coach, helping to regulate the immune system and enhance its ability to fend off infections. Some studies suggest that adequate levels of vitamin D can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and infections, from the common cold to more serious conditions. It's like having a secret agent on your side, ready to step in when your body needs extra support. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Vitamin D may have a role in cancer prevention. Research has shown that people with low levels of vitamin D might be at a higher risk for certain types of cancer. It seems that vitamin D can influence cell growth and repair, which could help keep cancer cells at bay. While it's not a magic cure, maintaining healthy vitamin D levels is a smart strategy in supporting overall health and potentially reducing cancer risk. The best source is, of course, the sun. Just 10 to 30 minutes of sunlight exposure a few times a week can boost your vitamin D levels. But if you're not a sun seeker or live in a place with limited sunlight, don't worry. You can also get vitamin D from your diet. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified foods like milk and cereal, and even egg yolks are all good sources. All these vitamins play a crucial role in your body, making you strong and able to fight off diseases. As Barbara states, cancer has nothing on you if these are in your diet. Which of these vitamins do you want to try and why? Share your answer in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.